Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you're all doing well. And in this video, what I'll be showing you guys is how to take a screenshot, or rather a still image, from a video you're editing in Davinci Resolve 18.6. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a test video loaded in, and let's say I want to take a still from this video, and the way you want to do it is first go into the color section or workspace in the bottom of your screen. It's the third one from the right. Click on that. It's like this color wheel icon. Once you're here, what you want to do is select the frame that you want to take a still of. Let's say I want to take a still frame of this picture. Once you select the still, go to gallery in the top left. And now what you want to do is right click on the video to enter the drop down menu. Then what you want to do is go to grab still. Before you actually do anything, your gallery will look like this. It will automatically go into your gallery. However, you want to go into stills albums, I think, still albums. Yeah, you can select power grade, timelines, or stills. Select stills, and this still that you want will be right here. Right click on that. And now what you want to do to actually get that as a screenshot is to go into export. And once you do, you'll be brought to this. Wait, let me just delete it. Let me try to grab a still of this video section. Then go to export it. And when you do, you need to select, well, name your file, select the, what's it called? The, format you want, select the folder, and just click export, and that's it. I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys in another video.